Okay, group. There's no healer.
Just one. Nice, I got him.
Hey, an arm.
Nice kill.
You captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
She dashed. Ooh, the web sting is actually such a getaway free card. Heal me. Someone heal me, please. Do we not have a healer? Oh, shit. No.
I'm back. We have rocket.
We have two.
We have two. I think it's, for Spider-Man, knowing where the health packs are at is a good idea.
Control lost.
Eat him? What happened?
He's eating me! Oh, fucking...
Oh, I got fucking bombed.
It's okay.
I think that thing lasts too long.
What does?
The shark ability, the ult.
A little bit. But if he doesn't get your whole team, he can still die.
Step punch. The moon haunts you.
Where's our bitch ass at?
I saw her around here somewhere. She's up here.
They've almost got it.
But she's so hard to hit, actually.
Oh, she's fucking trailing us. Fuck that bitch. So annoying. I'm going Ian. I got his midget ass. Got both healer and midget ass just going.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
I'm on Strange. Strange is below. Strange is dead. Kill the onks.
Oh, what's good, Onk? Oh.
They got the drop on you.
Thank you, little shark buddy. You gotta get the fuck out of there. Got a goon on him, bro. Oh, break this thing. Kill his bitch ass. Nice, I'm going in. I lied. I lied. Goon on me. Oh, we gotta get him.
She actually beat my ass.
I am ready to put on a show.
The moon.
But Luna actually has some fucking damage.
Mom can be destroyed and wrong.
Yeah, Moon Knight. Nice.
He's dead. Gave me again for this fucking shark.
This is real firepower.
Bro, no way.
Damn.
Oh shit, I'm back in. You get Luna. Okay.
Wait, how long? Oh man, I'm throwing. How long have I had?
By the eye of
No, I got off. Fuck.
No, it's okay. I think I've had ult for like 10 minutes. I'm not even kidding.
It's
I'm
a
not even
Death
joking.
Blossom.
Yeah. I've used it in thing. I've had it for like 10 minutes.
I know. It's fine.
Spiders. We have bigger enemies to conquer.
Just like follow people around with this and knock them
30
back or
seconds
what?
before you attack. Get ready.
With what?
Super pals.
With the fucking symbiote thing.
When you uppercut them, they can't move as much.
Ah, okay.
So like you want to like tracer uppercut, and then like punch him a little bit, and then chase him down with that. Yeah.
But try not to drip any.
There's like some movement tech I can
I just washed my
show you,
fur.
but it's, I guess it's a little too
Battle
much
starts in
if you're just starting.
4,
Oh,
3,
you're fine.
2.
But he has crazy movement tech.
All you need to do is capture
I
the
bet.
mission area.
I can't wait to
Got
figure
it?
them out. This is sick.
Like there's bunny hopping. If you keep you can keep your momentum. It's kind of hard though.
extra bullet. Don't mind me. I'm just dying.
Come back. Come back in. You want me?
Looks like the mission
Where's
area
everyone going?
Shit.
Everyone just fucking dies.
Capture the mission area.
Going in.
I don't know, like, your health pack.
Nice.
Is there passive healing in this game?
No, she just went off the map, bozo. Lamau. Lumfao. Sit.
Wow.
Lumfao.
The keyhole.
I can stand right here.
Nice.
I gotta take the wall crawling into the fucking training mode a little bit.
I know. I turn off easy swing.
I am ready to put on a
Yeah, I
show.
turned off easy swing too. I turned off easy swing and then I have it where I
This is real firepower.
Dude, where's everyone at?
You get a weapon. You get a weapon. You get a weapon.
Nice, nice.
I gotta do some crazy there a little bit.
She killed herself again. Get his ass. Turn it low.
What am I getting hit by? What am I getting hit by?
Thank you. Gravity. What's your buddy?
Yo, what's going on, Reaper? How you doing, buddy?
I'm just gonna keep fucking him like that. Oh shit. Oops. Oops. Oops.
She's low. She's low.
Team's capture progress